How to send money from Monese. If you'd like to send your money from your Monese account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Monese application right here. Once you launch the Monese app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here what you have to do is, after you log in there, you'll find the pay button right at the bottom menu. So just go to the pay option there. On the pay option you can see different payment options. You can pay a nearby friend, check the rates, or make a new payment. So select the pay option right here. Once you've done that, on the next page you simply have to enter to whom you want to send, a person or a business. So if it's a person, you have to enter the person's name, your last name, their currency, their nickname. That's optional, and you can hit the next option, enter the amount you'd like to pay, and then you will be able to send money to that particular person after you confirm the transaction. And I hope that this video helped you on how you can send money from Monese. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.